Hello there and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will take a look at how can you upload an individual file and multiple files from a folder from your machine to SharePoint document library using PnP PowerShell. So let's get started. Now we are in the sales team site and I have a document library called products document. I would like to upload documents into this document library. So let's go ahead and start writing the code. Let's flip over to Visual Studio Code. Okay, what we are doing is we are establishing the connection to the sales team site using Connect PnP Online. Now let's go ahead and write the command that helps us to upload the file to document library. Add PnP file. Then we go for the path. This is a path where the file is located. So I'm going to take file example.xlsx and then we'll have to provide the folder. Here folder means document library. If you have any folder within the document library, then you have to provide the slash and then the folder name. So first let's provide the name of the document library, which is products documents. Okay, so let's first understand this. Let's go ahead and click run. Let's give the credentials and let's wait for the response. We see the file is successfully uploaded. Let's go back and check. Hit refresh. Okay, you see modified a few seconds ago with my name and a file. Now here you see I have a product tier. A product tier is standard or premium. And it's a choice column. So this is a side column which I have added to the products document. Now consider a scenario that you are working with a specific migration project wherein you would have to maintain the modified date of the file, and at the same time you also have to change the product tier. So you need to set the specific product tier of a particular file. So let's just extend this example a little bit and then further understand this. So let me go ahead and delete this for now. Here we will need to provide the values. We will say @ and put it between the curly braces. The first is modified equals, let's go with 11th of November 2023. At the same time we also want to set the product tier. So we'll put semicolon. We'll say product tier equals to standard. Okay, so let's go ahead, execute this. And let's wait for the response. The file uploaded successfully. Let's go and check. Hit refresh. Now we see modified date is actually set with 11th of November 2023 and product tier also set with standard. If we click on this, click on three dots, more properties, you will see the product tier has also correctly been set. Okay. So this is how you can actually upload an individual file. At the same time, you can also set the metadata of the file as well using PnP PowerShell. So now let's upload multiple files to document library at once. So let's comment this out. First, let's get all the files from this location. So we will say files equals to get child item from the path, which is this path. So essentially we are looking at uploading every file which is under PnP PowerShell examples. So I would say force and records to get all the files as well. So now we have all our files in the files variable. So it's time to loop through the variables. So we'll say each file in files. Okay, and add PnP file. So now to get the path of these files that are coming dynamically, we will say $ and then $file dot directory, which is the path from the root. We will say slash and then again $file dot name. Okay, and let's wrap this path in the double quote, then a folder which is the document library, and let's also pass a value. And what we will do is we will set the title of the file with the file name. So to get that, first let's put them in the @ and opening and closing braces. Title equals to $file dot name. Let's also add a message on the right host. File uploaded successfully. Okay, let's just fix this space. We don't need a space here. You should not have it. Let's hit run. All right, let's wait for the responses. Okay, and there we can see the files have started uploading successfully. Okay, let's check the document library. Hit refresh, and you see all the files which I had in the directory got uploaded successfully in the products document library. So I hope this simple example helped you to understand how do we use PnP PowerShell to upload a specific file, set the metadata, and also upload all the files of a folder to the document library. I thank you for watching the video.